How to update your personal information on HSBC credit card account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be teaching you guys on updating your personal information on HSBC credit card online account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open any of the web browser on your computer or your mobile device, and then after type in hsbc.co.uk in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. You will be landed to the official website of HSBC UK, and here on this page, locate the logon option that is highlighted in the upper right hand side of the screen. And if you haven't registered yet for your HSBC UK account, you can simply go ahead and click on the register option to become one of the members of this bank. And if you already have an account, simply go ahead and click on the login option. From here, you have to enter the correct form of your user ID in the first field. And if you'd like this Google Chrome web browser or this system to remember your credentials, you can simply go ahead and check this option of Remember Me. But if you're using a public or a shared computer, do not check this box for the security reasons. And in the case if you have forgotten your username, you can simply go ahead and click on the link of Forgot Your Username in order to successfully retrieve your username. And if you haven't not yet registered for an online account, online banking, simply go ahead and click on this link over here. After you have entered the correct form of your username, go ahead and click on the Continue button that is highlighted in red color in order to successfully log into your online banking account. After this, you will be prompted to enter your correct form of your password and other details. And once logged in, navigate to your profile settings. You can update the details like the address, phone number, email, and contacts over there. Choose the relevant option to make necessary changes, and depending on the info updated, HSBC may need extra verification for the security. This might involve answering the security questions, entering a one-time password from your mobile or your email address, or other forms of the confirmation. And after updating, review for the accuracy, and after ensuring the accuracy, save or confirm the changes on the website. And that concludes this guide. For more queries, drop them in the comments section. And remember to like and subscribe for more tutorial video like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.